The Omega One board, designed with a simplified dashboard interface, makes installation and setup easier than ever. Let's go over the factory-wired inputs that come standard with the Omega One board. The motor output and motor position input connect directly to the high-torque, brushless DC motor. The battery input supports the battery backup module, while the power input or solar input allows for either AC power or solar mode. In addition to these inputs, the Omega One board includes pre-wired connections for the manual disconnect, alarm reset button, and the built-in electronic gate open-close jog switch. The loop detector rack is also pre-wired, simplifying the installation further. Now let's take a look at the key functions of the Omega One board. One important function is the close timer, which controls how long the gate remains open before automatically closing. Once the gate is fully open, the timer starts counting down based on the selected setting. If a safety device is triggered, the timer resets and resumes counting once the obstruction is cleared. Featuring an improved fast battery charger, the Omega One board activates battery backup mode when AC power is lost. 3 operation modes are available during AC power failure. Fail-safe, the gate will continue to operate until battery power is drained. At this point on the next open command, the gate will remain open. The gate will automatically close after AC power is restored if the close timer is on. Fail-secure, the gate will continue to operate until the battery power is drained. At this point, the gate will remain closed. Open one time, the gate automatically opens and remains open. When power is restored, the gate will automatically close. ERD Sensitivity, electronic reverse detection, detects obstructions during both opening and closing cycles, reversing the gate to prevent accidents or damage. The sensitivity can be adjusted to suit the specific installation needs. Refer to the manual for more details on ERD sensitivity settings for the Omega One board. Program mode allows you to scroll through recent error logs, view input voltage, monitor average gate current consumption, check cycle count, set date and time, enable or disable advanced features. Use the open, stop, close, jog left, and jog right buttons to set gate positions, program virtual limit sensors, and more. These buttons are essential for accessing and programming various features. Refer to the manual for full details. OBD port, black box feature. Plug in a USB to access the last 8,000 events reported by each module to the central logger. No special software is needed. Technicians can quickly download the event history to diagnose and troubleshoot complex or intermittent issues efficiently. Set desired settings using the dip switches, including battery beep mode, gate in motion alarm, anti-tailgating feature, and more. Adjust settings based on your application needs. Refer to the manual for the full list of features. The solar mode is intended for solar applications that utilize the Max Solar Pack. This mode conserves power by deactivating auxiliary outputs, such as the 24-volt output, and putting the board into low power mode. For detailed instructions on solar pack installation, please refer to the quick installation guide in the manual. When using a maglock, the delay setting must be enabled. It can be set to 1.5 or 2.5 seconds, allowing the maglock to release before the gate begins to open. Set the gate's opening direction to left or right based on your installation requirements. For dual gate systems, set the board to primary or secondary to ensure proper synchronization between both boards. Refer to the manual for setup instructions. The MXG board is equipped with an LCD display. It serves as a comprehensive log, displaying both past and current operator details. For a detailed walkthrough, watch our LCD display video to explore its features and functionality. The ID plug enables the board to run the appropriate software based on the operator model. Without it, the board will continuously beep and the operator will not function. The board includes built-in ports for optional add-ons like the Max Cell Hub and the Max Wireless Edge. Visit our website to learn more about the full range of available accessories. Let's take a closer look at the rest of the inputs on the Omega One board. Each input is color-coded for easy identification. Green plugs control inputs for commands like open, close, and stop. Orange plug, used for the primary-secondary link in dual-gate setups. Blue plug, dedicated to safety sensors such as photo eyes and loop detectors. Red plug, powers maglocks and solenoids for secure locking mechanisms. Black plug, output relays providing gate status for open and close and auxiliary relays for external monitoring devices. Be sure to consult the manual for detailed wiring steps and a wiring overview on the Omega One board.